Good morning, all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter, that is Computer Networks of class 12th. So in this video, we will learn about the networking fundamental. So let's begin with the introduction of network. When two or more computers are connected by some media links is known as a network. मीन्स जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर्स आपस में किसी मीडिया लिंक्स की हेल्प से कनेक्टेड होते हैं तो उसे नेटवर्क कहते हैं. In this definition, we are using a term that is media links. So let's understand what is the meaning of media links. Media links means transmission media through which data are transferred from one device to another. Let's take an example to understand this. Suppose we have two computers, one is for sender and second is for receiver. Sender wants to send some sort of data to the receiver with the help of a medium. Then this medium is known as a transmission media. I hope it's clear to all of you. Let's move on to our next topic, that is types of transmission media. Basically, transmission media is of two types. Number one, guided media, and number two, unguided media. Guided media are those media in which wires are used, and unguided media are those media in which wires are not used. So let's understand the figure of network of devices. Suppose we have four computers and all are connected with the help of a medium, that is wires. In network definition, we have learned when two or more computers are connected by some media links is known as a network. But in this figure, four computers are connected and we are using a term node instead of a computer, as we have mentioned in all the computers. That is node A, node B, node C and node D. So let's understand the meaning of node. Node, a computer in a network is called a node. It means when we connect computers and establishing a network, then in a network, computers are known as node. I hope it's clear to all of you. Now move on to our next topic, that is types of networks. There are basically four types of computer networks. Number one LAN, number two MAN, number three WAN and number fourth PAN. Let's understand all these types of networks one by one. Number one, LAN. It stands for local area network, means the full form of LAN is local area network. It covers small area like a building, a room, a office, etc. It means when we want to establish our network within a small area like a building, a room, a office, etc., then we will use local area network. The maximum range of establishing this network is 10 kilometers. Means if we want to establish our network within 10 kilometers range, then we will use local area network. 2 to 1000 computers can be connected in this type of networks. Number 2, MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It covers large area spread across a city. It means if we want to establish our network within a city, then we will use Metropolitan Area Network. The maximum range of establishing this network is 100 kilometers. Means if we want to establish our network within 100 kilometer range, then we will use Metropolitan Area Network. Cable television network is the best example of the Metropolitan Area Network. Number 3, WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It covers broad area spread across a country. Means if we want to establish our network within a country, then we will use wide area network. Internet is the best example of wide area network. Number 4, PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. The maximum range of establishing this network is 10 meters. It means if we want to establish our network within 10 meters range, then this is personal area network. Example, hotspot Wi-Fi. It means if we want to create a network within 10 meters range with the help of hotspot or Wi-Fi for the personal use, then this type of network will come under the personal area network category. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.